Good Thursday afternoon, everybody. March 7th, 2019. Welcome to another edition of Talking Fitchburg. Hello, everybody. Jeremy Crosby here. Yes, I'm back. And, I've taken a beating in the last couple of days. Finally got the cold, a sinus infection. And don't worry. I know you were worried. I'm doing better. I just sound awful. But Andrew threatened me and said I had to come on.
Hey, don't make me the bad guy right now. I would have gladly taken if you needed to go.
Yeah, that's not what happened.
That's true. Where we're supposed to be right now. Hi, Scott.
where we're supposed to be.
Hey, look, everyone. It's Scott. Hi, Scott.
Only for a second. You can't see him very long. That was good. That was really good. Safe.
That's it. Someone will screenshot that. It'll be over everywhere. There's Scott, the infamous Scott.
We got to do like the arrow with
right.
Scott.
Okay, can I tell you something quick about this camera that is on me?
Yeah.
I turned off the auto follow. It still does it. I don't like it. Because see how it jitters the camera? I don't get it. I've turned it off and it still does it. Anyways, technical problem for me. Not
also,
you.
The best bobblehead piece you've ever
right?
done by far on this show.
Yeah.
Well, Andrew, I appreciate you filling in for me this week.
Hey, absolutely. It's been a blast. We've had a lot of people, a lot of guests. You still get to see me today.
I know. You got to interview our HR manager, which I'm so excited for you guys to meet. So.
And if you didn't watch Tony King's episode, you need to.
Yeah, I saw him in an office secluded from everybody else over in, we'll just say over in...
Community center?
No. This was over here in the offices area.
Oh.
Not too far away from HR. So I'm just saying, like, maybe
you got moved.
Maybe you guys pushed it just... he took it to that next level.
Oh, you'll have to watch, though. He gives a good... he talks about your flannel. Let's just go there.
Jeez. You know what? I'm happy with my flannel.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So, there you go.
Good.
But we're glad you're back.
I'm going to go have a chat with him after I'm done here.
Maybe we won't see you tomorrow. We'll see.
No, I'm committed.
You're committed?
To at least come in for a few hours.
Okay. Sounds good.
We've got a really great show for you. We'll take you back out here to a ribbon cutting that happened yesterday. That was rescheduled. That's for the new AT&T ribbon cutting. They're located on Fish Hatchery Road. We'll take you out there in the digest. And yes, Andrew sat down with Sarah Olson here, our HR manager. You'll get updated on job openings here, how to apply for jobs and more. Very excited to see that and glad to have her on the show. And we'll wrap up, of course, with a little bit of PB&J if I still have a voice. But first, we kick it off with your weather. Yes, the weather is changing. Some would say it's really good. Some say it's going to be messy. Some could just say, shush. Here you go. Yeah, there is a storm coming in here. Periods of mixed winter precipitation. Can you say that? Saturday and Saturday evening. Yeah, this thing is going to be interesting, Andrew, because some places are going to see a lot of snow.
Yep.
And everybody else is going to see sort of this mix of weirdness, if you will.
And some rain.
Yeah, and the further south you go, more rain.
Yeah.
So
fabulous. Yeah. Love it. Love it.
Fabulous. So it's an all-day Saturday thing. So, it can, and I'll just read this here. It says, the wintry mix may change quickly to all rain and start off as rain in southwest Wisconsin, more of mixed snow, sleet, rain expected over south central Wisconsin, and wintry mix will change to light rain and snow showers later Saturday night into Sunday morning. How about the chances of snow? Here you go. So the risk of snowfall, of a 1-inch snowfall, we're in the moderate here. I mean, we're right on the line here, moderate to slight. Over 4 inches of snow, though, we're in the slight. Forget about it.
Forget it.
I wanted to do that a little bit
Forget
louder.
about it.
Forget about it.
That's all good.
So, yeah. But
we're not in the red for anything, so we're good.
It says here, though, that slushy snow and sleet accumulations of 1 to 3 inches is possible along north of the line from Mineral Point to Madison to Mequon. However, the risks of slightly higher accumulations again the further north you go. So if you got any travel plans coming up for the weekend, that's really what I want you to take home here, is you need to be prepared. It's going to be a mess across the state of Wisconsin. Winter's holding on just a little bit longer. All right, we got a ribbon cutting to tell you about. Lioness Fitness ribbon cutting. Rescheduled theirs. They were supposed to had their ribbon cutting, but that was canceled due to snow. This is on Friday, March 8th, 4 o'clock p.m. at their location, 5957 McKee Road, Suite 101B in Fitchburg. Looking for a new gym to help you get fit in the new year? Come check out their new space. Light refreshments will be served as well. Well, if you can make it out there. If you can't, don't worry. We got a crew. We'll send them out there. The crew is Scott. I still say the crew. I love saying that, but yeah. All right, we got some photo updates for you of the East Fire Station as things cruise along there. Check this out. Yeah, they got a... Talk about a really bad time of year to be in construction with how cold it is and everything's frozen to the ground.
Right.
You like go out to try to get some more work material and you're like trying to chisel it out. Now, I got to go in there and do some taping of some interior walls a long time ago, and this is quite a bit of a change compared to when I was in there.
I'm sure.
But from what I've been told, this has the similar feel as the other fire station, number 2 at Marketplace. So the industrial floors, and it's kind of cool. They even they kept some of the natural brick in there as well.
Awesome.
If you want to know natural. I guess all brick is natural, but you know what I mean. It's part of the element
Must
of
be
the
the base.
station.
It's going to be a lot of cement in there.
Yeah, they were digging the underground flooring when I walked through there. It's pretty incredible.
Yeah.
It looks like a lot of space, but it doesn't. But then once they finish it, it'll look huge. Like it never fails.
No, it'll look nice. I'm excited to see it.
I am too, and we'll get a tour with the chief here. We'll ask for a tour. He'll grant.
We'll get one.
We'll get one.
Yeah.
All right, Fix a Leak Week is coming up next week, March 12th through the 24th, and yeah, check this out. Are you ready to chase down some leaks, Andrew?
Ready.
Household leaks can
Got my duct tape.
can waste nearly 1 trillion gallons of water annually nationwide.
That's a lot.
So each year we hunt down those drips during Fix a Leak Week. Mark your calendars for EPA's annual Fix a Leak Week, and it's going to be fun, Andrew. And this is your chance. You know the classic one is the running toilet, right?
Yes.
Do you know how to find out if it's running?
I know there's
We've done
a
it.
trick.
We've done it on this show.
I know there's a trick. You can put like Kool-Aid or food coloring in the tank, and if you see it in the bowl while you're not flushing it, that's a leak.
That's right. Common leaks can be found the toilet flapper, dripping faucets, and leaky valves.
Yeah,
so
those drippy faucets are bad too.
Bleep, bleep, bleep. Yeah, you got to watch for that.
Yes,
we have a utility sink in our basement, you know.
Yeah.
And if you don't crank that thing all the way down, it will
It
drip.
drips. Unbelievable.
Never liked those.
No.
So
Yeah.
I need to replace the faucet and valves there on that one, but
Good
either
on
way.
that.
Yeah, you could. It says here, fixing and easily correcting household water leaks can save homeowners 10% of their water bill. So
That's quite a bit.
yeah, and if you're having a leak, it'll probably save a lot more.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah.
Just saying. All right, stepping on workshop. I know we had this in the update this morning, but I wanted to get it out there and make sure that you take advantage of this with our partners from Safe Communities and the Fitchburg Senior Center. You can join them for the Stepping On workshop. This will be Wednesdays, March 13th through April 24th, 1 to 3 p.m. The cost is $35. Scholarships are available upon request. Call the Fitchburg Senior Center. Well, you got to get registered. 608-270-4290 to register for that. All right, the water in 2 parts. Want to make sure you don't miss out on this. Was rescheduled here for next Tuesday. Water in 2 parts. We'll be discussing 2 pieces here. We'll be talking about the Wabeesa wetlands and salt reduction. This will be held on Tuesday, March 12th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. over at the Fitchburg Public Library. There'll be some refreshments there, Andrew. Andrew's always in the refreshments part.
And pizza. Woo!
And pizza. So if you can make it out there, we'll have that one covered as well. And we're hoping to use that as a show here on Fact TV. All right, I take a break. We're going to take you out now to the AT&T ribbon cutting that was held yesterday in the digest. That's next right here on Talking Fitchburg.